welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we have hose head. What can I say, is broken in several places. So we'll try stripping him down, give him clean, and let's see if we can put him back together. First off, you strip his body down. So undo the screws. Sorry about that. Camera fell over. So let's start by undoing the screws, like I was saying. So there's 4 screws to hold the back piece on. Just realize to put my glasses on. 1. 2. 3. 4. Now to take it apart, you just need to pull out. That's that back piece off. We'll take that out and give it a good clean before we reassemble it. There's that piece up there, so like that. And take this piece out and the power ratings gimmick, take them out of the way. Undo this. I'll take off. Disconnect that. And as you can see, it's broken here from there. Should be like that. So let's see if we can strip it down a bit more and get some glue in it. It's not glue, it's plastic weld. I'm using plastic weld. First off, let's get back to basics. Undo the 3 screws on back. Just cut this piece here. Now the reason I've done that is this is the piece that's actually broken. So hopefully I'll get a decent weld on there. I'll have to get the rest of the screws out. So it's 4 screws. 1, 2, and at the front here there's another 2, 3, 4. We need to undo them. I just done that on pause. I've got myself a few more screwdrivers. So let's get these ones inside here out of the way first. That's one. Slightly different size than them ones. 2. 3. That's not working. Right. You've also got two small screws inside there, so we'd take them out of the way as well. One and two. This should make this piece release. So just get a bit of pull, there you go. That piece drops out. There's two more screws, there's one there and one there. That'll release this section. Bit more awkward, but it's come out. You got to watch out, there's a spring and ratchet mechanism in there as well, so you don't want to lose them. Same on this side, you have the same thing, spring and ratchet mechanism. There you go, spring ratchet mechanism. Put them in there. And that's the piece we're after. So the first thing we're going to do is give them a clean. I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. The part is now dried, as you can see. So we're going to try reassembling it. Let's see how that goes. First off, apply this part back. Add a bit extra strength into it, being there. So. Screws in. So it's getting tight. Go. One. Two. And three. Let's that part put back together. So what we're doing now is the rest of the body. The torso in like that. The arms. Slip these up out of the way. The arms. One. And two. Just one of those slots. There, nice like that. This power reading plate goes in there, like so, which will then one minute. Let me try that again. Back into there. A little hole in there. That tab goes into the hole like that. Then he's back, which goes on that way around. And we'll put the 4 screws back in. One. Two. I'm not over tightening these, I'm just nipping them up. At a tire this age, with it being plastic, you don't want to be over tightening the screws, it will cause it to crack. So just go in just enough for it to stop. That should hold it nicely. So that's that part of the body back together. Now I'm going to clean these black pieces before reassembling them to the cab. Alright, with you in a minute.
Last footage on part 7. I'm so sorry about this everyone, but you will see in part 8 of the progress I have done so far.
I've cleaned the parts up. Now look at this shape here, it's not a clean break. So I have to make something that'll do that. Look enough, I've got this piece of styrene plastic here. Try to get the shape off that. I'm going to try cutting this a bit more straight first of all, and see if I can make it a bit more suitable. Stay with me. Okay, so as you can see, I've cut it straight. I'm now going to take the file to it and straighten it up a bit more, make it a little bit more tidy to get the sorry about that, get the straighter edge on it. Let's file it down a bit and straighten that edge up. Just be careful when doing this so you don't take too much material away. So that should sit quite nicely. Very nice. I think that'll do. Right, so now I'm going to mark it up using a Sharpie as to how much of this styrene I need to cut into shape into what. So just go at the top there, down the edge and across. So what I need would then be that there, this side, this bit of it, so that, and that is scrap. So I'll just get me hobby knife, back with a hobby knife, get these bits out of the way. So first thing we need to do is score this. So you get my ruler. Nice metal rule. Just scribe, and scribe. Hopefully that should now just, there you go. It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. You know what I'll do instead of using that on there, I'll use the pinchers and cut it instead. Make it a bit easier that way for this bit. So we do just a bit this side. I'm going to file it down to get the right shape and everything into it. There you go. That's roughly about right. You know what, that's pretty good that. Let's have a bit more off there. Let's see if it sits in place right now. Right, a bit of filing. Just clear that corner up, it should be fine. So, let's get started. Try a different file for that, a bit of a thinner one. That's a bit better. Get a different file now. What I need to do is file it and just keep testing it, see how it looks. Perfect. So what I can now do is cut across the top there, leaving just the section that I need. So I need to mark it up. The rule again. Straight edge. Squash it across there. Removing out the top completely. It's not necessary. Don't need to make sure it's held tightly. Please, otherwise it's just gonna make a mess. That's how quick as I think it is. But I don't need that now, so should be able to oops. Don't waste the piece we just cut, do we? How that should fit there nicely. Need a little bit of sanding off, a bit more tweaking, but it's getting there. Let's check that bit of a curve there. Yeah, that's better. Oh, that's better. Perfect, but it's better. Let's see how that looks now. Sweet. Right. We'll glue that on and then we'll do the extra trimming around this side. And that should be that. So, clean it off a bit. Back to the plastic world. Put a bit on the edge there, like that. So I'll put a bit on the edge, like that. A bit more on there. Like that. Same with this now. Put on that edge there. And on there. On there. Right, we need to leave this now to settle. Let's leave that as a set for a bit. I'll be back with you shortly. While we're letting the bracket set up, we'll look at this piece here. If you notice, it's broken. So we're going to set that straight, put some plastic on to rebuild it, and I'm going to put a metal tube in between to hold it in strength. So let's start with that first, shall we? So let's clip these broken bits off. Like that. Get it filed down with the other. child smooth. That's brilliant. Right, the next thing is to do is work out exactly how much plastic we need to apply into that. So let's give it a minute to just work it out. Put that piece into there. Like that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so if we put a piece in, and then we put this piece of pipe on there, we put 2 pieces of plastic on each side of it, that should give me what I need. Onto there. Yeah, I might put a piece of plastic on first actually. It's a rough size. Just got to cover that. Get them out of the way. And that line across there. Erase that bit. Right, so hobby knife again. Yep, and it is. There you go. So I've got another piece same size, which that isn't, unfortunately. But you got always keep all the bits of plastic because they can always come in useful on another project. So if I just put on there, get the Sharpie again, mark up the piece that I want, so it's on there, on there. That's it. You can now cut that and have these 2 pieces that can go on the end and reshape them later once they're set. So put that there. So one piece. The only hard part about this is going matching the paint up to getting the grey right, but I'll get as close as I can. One thing I'm not is a paint expert, so I'll just do the best I can. There we go, and there's 2 pieces. So if I put both of them 2 pieces together, I'll put one to the end of the ladder slash holes. Glue one there, 1 and 2 each side. I can shape them to the way I want them. So that's the next step. So back to the plastic world again. Some plastic weld on brush. Give the end a touch up. There you go. nice. And get the plastic paint down. That's it. Put it over there for a second. Pop it on. See, I've made it a bit bigger, because obviously it's got to get shaped yet. So it gives me extra shape it into place. That's that done. That's that bit on. Do the same with the other side. A bit more paint on that. A little bit on that. Like that. Then apply that like that. So there you go. Just leave it a bit longer for it to set. I'll give it a second coat all the way around. Hopefully I'll then fit in the middle. Once it's all set. Once that's set, that should slide in the middle. And we could get a bit of accurate readings off that to get it right. With a bit of luck. Stay with me. As you can now see, that's set and it's pretty good. A bit tight. So I'm just going to get a file and give it a bit of a clean up. So let's get it torn apart. Pretty okay. Not got all the fine detailing, but I might put that in myself later. So it works first. So well it holds. If there's a bit of a lip there, I have to file a bit more on the inside just to get that lip. That's it, nice and smooth. Do nicely. Back in a minute. Okay, welcome back. As you can see, I've done the repair and I've painted it red. So yeah, I've done that bit. So we need to fasten this back to his back again. So put a spring in. Ratchet mechanism. Make sure you get it the right way around. There you go. And now that piece. Get a screw. Screw back in. There you go. That works fine. So basically now we're just waiting for the ladder to set up. Stay with me. Okay, as you see, they're now set. As good as they're going to be, I suppose. Where's that tube on that? There we go. Got a bit of tube to put in between them, like so. Just give them a bit more support. Now what I need to do now is place this in here and figure out exactly whereabouts it needs to be drilled to put the pin through. So I'll put it in like that. That's it, spot. Now I've got the Dremel. I'll just put a pile all right away through. There we go. Yep, straight away through. All I do is sort out a pin to go in there now. So this original pin's missing, and glue this tube piece into place so it stays there. Stay with me. Well then, having tried to put a pipe in the middle there, it broke off. So what I decided to do is fill it up with plastic. So that's a solid piece of plastic in there now. It's not going anywhere. That's tight. So I've now got to drill a hole through and then put it back onto hose head. So let's see how that works. Just about there. There. Right. Straight through. Right, that's worked. Let's get this nail here to see if it's a clear thing through. More towards that a little bit more. That should do it straight through, isn't it? Still blockage there somewhere. Now, yep, see, go straight through. Perfect. I'm going to use this nail as the pin, because at the moment I haven't got anything else to use. So, that I'll have to do. I'll have to clip it down and glue it in place. That's how it works. See if it works. Good. Through. That should be right, that. What I do need to do is shape it now so that it can lift up and down proper. So stay with me. Like so. Just gently round it off a bit. Now to test it, back in hose head, see if it lifts proper now. And yeah, I think that's pretty successful. Straight up, no problems. Yep, that'll do. Stay with me. Well, I've cut the nail head down now, so it now fits perfectly through and isn't too long to stick out the other side. So once I've got the paint and painted this back to colour, I'll apply the pin. Unfortunately I don't have the paint at the moment, so it's got to stay as it is for now, and I'll let you know when I get round to finishing it off. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. Goodbye. Hi, welcome back. I've been through my old paints and I've managed to find some grey. So it's not the exact same shade, but it will make it look tidy, which is what we're after. So I'll give it a coat of paint now. It doesn't have to be neat, just tidy. So yeah, it's coming out okay. There might be channels out there doing better repairs than this, but I do what I can. There we go. So I just need to leave that to dry, and then we'll fit it back to hose head. That looks alright, that. Bye.